They have already identified that there are certain criminal activities that are worthy of opening cases about.
uMakhura uthi insolo zenkohlakalo ekuthengweni kwempahla yokuzivikela egciwaneni iCorona kulesifundazwe zehlise ukwethembeka kahulumeni emphakathini. Uthi uMnyango wezempilo uzothatha inyathelo zokuqondisa igwegwe izikhulu ezimbili ngokuhambisana namacala asevulwe iSIU.
The head of Department of Health this morning has taken action to immediately suspend the official who is still in the system. And then the official who has resigned, the provincial government, together with the SIU, are pursuing legal and criminal case against that official.
Odabeni lwemizamo yokulwa neCovid-19, uMakhura uthi isibalo sabantu asebeluleme kulesi sifo sesinyukele emaphesentini yangama-70. Uthi ize isibalo sabantu okubikwa ukuthi banaleli gciwane sesiqala ukwehla kakhulu, lokho akusho ukuthi ubungozi abusekho. UNdunankulu uthi usemningi umsebenzi osadinga ukwenziwa.
We don't want to say as yet that we have passed the peak. It may have been a wave, it may have been the first wave of the peak. We are still working on the basis that we may still go through the toughest time of the storm.
Owengamele ezemfundo eGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uthi bafuna ukuthi bonke abafundi abazobuya ezikoleni kulenyanga bathole izikole ezihlanzekile futhi zinempahla yokuzivikela eyanele.
From the 24th of August and beyond, we'll ensure that the new crew that is coming back will get their PPEs, will get the school cleaned, and they will get their lessons plans, and they will be ready to push the academic year. You are quite aware that the academic year is now been extended until the 15th of December, and we really believe that at least month extension will assist learners to catch up on those things.
uMakhura uphinde wadalula ukuthi uphiko olubhekele ukuphepha kwezwe luzohlola izinga lokuphila ngokuhambisana nemali eholwa uyena kanye nabalishumi abengamele iminyango kahulumeni kulesifundazwe kusukela ngesonto elizayo.